Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 14T keeps restarting. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on schedule power on or off. Now here you can check your schedule power on or off. If you turn it on, then turn it off. After turn off this button, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all the data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.